Breakout. Oh yeah, let's do this, man. Nice Africa twin here. Oh man, I'm so excited. Ooh. Let me just take out my helmet and get ready, you know what I'm saying? The event starts tomorrow, so today I'm just gonna relax here on the pool, enjoy the lake. I'm so excited, man. I can't describe the feeling. Nice mountain action up there. Really nice place. Check out my shirt, man. Yeah. Cold.
With all the money that I got from my channel, here I am today.
Oh man, this is cold. Oh. Trying out the Breakout here. It's the first time I'm gonna ride a Harley, and I got a passenger. First time I'm ever riding a cruiser bike. I have it in sport mode. Harley Breakout. Pretty cool, it's different. And then the turn signal, like you turn it on, it blinks a few times. And then it goes off. Nasime din chopper, din Harley Davidson. The only thing that I find weird is the foot pegs, because the way they are. Like if I want to rest my feet, they'll just fall off because they're like so forward. That's the only thing. It pulls pretty good. I can only imagine if you put an exhaust on it too. This thing is a 6-speed, I just noticed that. Ah, crianças? Ah, canis do manga. Okay, we're back. Oh, no hay Hayabusa.
You got a Harley return, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yep, right down through there and then right around. Watch this guy come right behind you.
Okay. Okay, we're back at the base. That was pretty cool. First time ever riding a Harley. Yeah.
Fun time?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was a nice route.
It is.
Yeah.
A long one, you know.
Alites με τις μηχανές.
Amazing, the workmanship in this. This is twin blowers it's got.
Oh yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. The workmanship that went in this. Amazing. Okay.
Just rode the Harley Davidson Breakout. That thing was cool. Now I'm gonna try the Pan Am next. That looks like a pretty cool bike, so just waiting here to get situated and we're gonna hit the road.
Do you want a low seat?
Yeah, sure.
Lower seat?
Yeah, that'll be nice. Alright guys, Pan Am. Let's see what this has.
The ground a little bit.
Yeah, no, that's
It's tall.
yeah. Thank you so much for that.
I got it.
Oh, this is nice.
about the Pan America?
Not really.
So it has the automatic suspension. Turn this on and the bike will lower down. Push down. Feel lower?
Yeah.
Tap that button. Well, you're in neutral, so just tap that button to start it.
Oh, we'll try it later. Yeah.
Mode switch is right here. To switch, you're in normal street mode, about 70% of power. Sport mode, full performance of the motorcycle, and rain mode.
Okay.
Alright, so whatever position you want to be in, just go there. You got heated grips, high beam, everything you need.
Wow.
It's over here. The orange right here.
Okay.
Cool?
Yeah, thank you. That's it. Yeah? So you prefer this one over the other one?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright guys, Pan Am, Harley Davidson. Yeah? This is made for traveling. I'm the travel girl. I travel around the world. This one, it shows you battery voltage too. I never seen that on a motorcycle before. Oh, it shows you the tire pressure too, how much air you got. Yeah, this seating position is way different than the Breakout. No, not with this seat. It's pretty doable for me with this seat. How about you? You like it? And I like how it shows you the tire pressure, because sometimes I'm like, man, I didn't check my tires. Is it low? You know, did I catch a nail? But with that, that's a peace of mind right there. It shows you the tire pressure. 6 gears as well, just like the Breakout. Maybe we should get it. Yeah, no, it is. Me too. I'm way more comfortable than the Hayabusa here. This thing moves. It's got the power. Man, this thing, like after 4,000 RPMs, it freaking explodes. Right? You feel it pulls so nice. What do you think? Should we buy this bike? Yeah? Alright. Yeah. And then let's get all of them too. I think you're gonna like the other one better that has a backrest too. Yeah, because I'm more comfortable with this bike. Plus, I know the route now. Alright, broskies. I'm returning the Pan Am. Let me know what you think. It's an interesting bike. It's a Harley Davidson. It's the first time they ever made an adventure bike, so it's pretty interesting. I just noticed it has a stabilizer for the steering here too. I got both feet down, not flat foot, but almost. Thank you. Alright, let's return this puppy and try something else next. This is nice. You just ride a bike, you return it, try something else. Pretty fun.
How was it?
Good.
Loved it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I was like, should we buy it? And she's like, yeah.
Oh, she gets to make the decision?
Yeah. Yeah. So the suspension, that's only when you start it, it lowers?
No, it does it on the ride. You just probably won't feel it.
Okay, got you.
Yeah.
Put a little bit close.
Yeah, when you accelerate, it rises, and when you come slow down, it lowers.
Okay, that's cool.
Oh, you're right here.
Where is it? Oh,
This is like a bike from that one, much better.
Yeah.
yeah, it's,
And very comfortable. Like, really.
yeah. Yeah, I rode this more comfortably than that one too. I like the looks of the Breakout. Yeah.
Anything else?
Maybe later. We'll come by later or tomorrow. We'll be here.
Okay.
This is what we're gonna do all day. Thanks so much, man.
Yes, sir.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Oh, it has Brembo brakes. I just noticed that. Cool. Nice, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, BMW F900. Let's do this. Alrighty. I think you got on this bike easier, huh? I like the position of this one. The seating position. How are you in the back? Good?
Yeah, the seat is a little steep, but not like the Indian one. It doesn't feel that comfortable with the Harley, but still like
It's
good.
pretty comfortable, yeah.
Yeah,
Not the Pan America. It feels shorter than the Pan America, which is good for me. And then again, my legs fit really nice here in the gas tank. Like, I'm more comfortable with this one. One thing that I do not like is the rear brake. It feels like when you step on the rear brake, the pedal goes down pretty low. Okay, let's hit the highway now. I don't like the windshield here, how it flops. But besides that, it's pretty stable here on the highway. The seat you can change, probably put something softer. So just downshift it without the clutch. I keep forgetting to use a quick shifter. Okay, let me go up a gear with a quick shifter. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. If you want to go up or down, you don't have to hit the clutch on this. Obviously, when you stop, you got to pull in the clutch. Yeah, that quick shifter feels weird, but I like it. It's like, oh, two, two, two. Yeah. I like how this bike turns. It's really, it feels, yeah, it feels really confident when it turns. It twists, yeah, with a passenger, man, I can twist this on no problem, man, really easy. Front brake is really strong, very strong. I'm really liking the quick shifter on this, and it's an up and down quick shifter. Pretty nice bike. I like it. Oh, Africa Twin. We're gonna try that a little bit later. Yeah, yeah, it was. Pretty nice. S1000 XR.